This looks simple until it saves you money, space, and time. From stopping hidden damage to upgrading daily life in seconds, these smart finds are changing how people live. Most people don't even know they exist until now. Watch till the end. Water leak detector.
A small leak often turns into a big repair bill. That is why you place water sensors under sinks, near the hot water heater, behind the washing machine, and in other key spots. This leak detector uses a strong Wi-Fi gateway and connects up to 20 sensors at the same time, so you cover multiple areas in one system. The sensors pick up water on the floor or dripping from above. When they detect moisture, you get alerts in 3 ways: a loud alarm, a notification on your phone, and an email. This is simple prevention that saves you from major damage.
Cabinet bed. This 2-in-1 wardrobe easily converts into a large, sturdy bed in seconds, which makes it perfect for homes with limited space. Its rustic, chic design adds style while keeping things functional. The spacious drawer can be used no matter if the bed is open or closed, providing easy storage for pillows, blankets, and other essentials, helping you keep your space organized and guest-ready. TOMLOV DM72. This all-in-one soldering system streamlines busy workbenches with a spacious layout, flexible microscope arm, and third hand station for precise hands-free work. A bright ring light and large 10.1-inch screen deliver viewing with reduced eye strain. Powerful magnification, USB connectivity, onboard storage, and a high-resolution camera make inspection, documentation, and sharing of electronics or coin details simple and efficient. REVO. The 4-in-1 smart cupping massager combines heat, massage, red light therapy, and dynamic suction for at-home spa results. It targets muscles, knots, cellulite, and scar tissue, promoting circulation and reducing inflammation. Portable and easy to use on the back, arms, or legs, it delivers professional quality cupping therapy anywhere. Using 2 devices together creates a complete cupping set. Headrest Hook. This premium plastic headrest hook transforms your car's headrest into a tidy storage solution. Wide and deep enough for purses, backpacks, and groceries, it prevents items from rolling or spilling. Easy tool-free installation allows one-hand setup fitting most cars, SUVs, and trucks with headrest bars between 0.32 and 0.55 inches. Each hook holds up to 25 kilograms, and the 4-pack offers convenient organization for all your daily car essentials. Curtain holdbacks. This Amazon find is both beautiful and practical, especially for renters. No holes are needed, just peel and stick, even on tile or glass. Simply remove the adhesive film, press it onto a smooth surface for a few seconds, and it's ready. These curtain holdbacks can decorate your curtains or double as hooks to hang toilet paper holders, towels, cloths, and more. Pant hangers. You can declutter and save space in your closet with these hangers, which let you store up to 5 times more items. Loading and unloading is easy thanks to the 360-degree swivel hook. These are made from sturdy materials, and the hangers are strong enough to hold heavy jeans, and customers love their quality and durability. Magnetic pickup tool set. This versatile retrieval and inspection tool set combines a powerful magnet telescoping aluminum handle, bright LED flashlight, and precision inspection mirrors to tackle hard-to-reach tasks with ease. Designed for automotive, construction, HVAC, and home use, it offers strong pickup power, flexible viewing angles, and clear illumination in tight spaces. A compact, durable tool bag keeps everything organized, portable, and ready for efficient everyday problem solving. Wagner powered roller. No more messy painting with this new electric paint roller. Just place it in the paint box and the tubes fill the roller automatically. It allows continuous painting without stopping or moving paint trays, making the job faster and easier. This electric roller is a convenient and efficient alternative to traditional rollers and paint trays, giving smooth, uninterrupted results every time. Salad pod. This container is perfect for taking salads to work, camping, or traveling. It's clear like glass, but more heat-resistant. It has a double leak-proof lid for dressings, so you don't have to worry about spills. You can even open it in the middle to eat your salad directly from the container, making it convenient and mess-free. LG Closet Clothes Steamer. This high-tech home closet steams and shakes to reduce wrinkles, dust, and odors while disinfecting your clothes. It's perfect for items that are hard to wash or for quickly refreshing your outfit before heading out. Simply place your clothes inside, and the moving hangers and pants press take care of the rest. Built-in Wi-Fi and the ThinQ app let you manage it easily from anywhere. Smart Desk Lamp. This adjustable desk lamp wirelessly charges your phone and rotates left, right, up, and down. It offers multiple brightness and color settings and has a digital clock showing the time and date. Customers love it as a reading light with plenty of lighting options and 5 intensity levels, making it great for any workspace or bedside table. Surge Protector Power Strip. You can now choose the direction of your power strip's cord so it fits wherever you need without blocking furniture. This makes it easy to hide the cord and keep your electronics safe from power surges. With 13 AC outlets and 4 USB ports, this power strip can charge and power up to 17 devices from just one wall outlet, keeping all your devices connected and organized. KeySmart iPro. The KeySmart iPro keeps your keys organized, compact, and easy to carry while integrating Apple Find My GPS tracking for quick location via smartphone. It holds up to 14 standard keys plus a car fob with simple tool-free setup. Quiet and convenient, it transforms your key ring into a smart everyday carry device. Expand its utility with KeySmart accessories like pocket clips, multi-tools, nano pliers, and more for a fully customized key organizer. Daily Pill Dispenser. This pill organizer is a real game changer. Place it on your cabinet, press a button, and all your pills pop out. If you don't want to mount it, it comes with a stand. With 14 compartments, there's plenty of space to organize your medication, making it easy to plan and access your pills anytime. Snailax Memory Foam. Designed for soothing, vibration-only massage cushion, features plush fabric and supportive memory foam for all-day comfort. Multiple vibrating motors ease tension in the neck, back, shoulders, and legs, while built-in heat zones deliver calming warmth with safety protection. Users can adjust modes and intensity with the remote for a personalized experience. Best for it offers customizable relaxation and anyone needing daily muscle relief. Mini Cleaning Mop. The Mini Cleaning Mop has 2 soft cotton heads that are safe for all floor types and clean effectively. Its excellent water absorption and one-handed squeeze handle make cleaning easy and reduce fatigue. Lightweight and easy to maneuver, it turns chores into a simple task. The mop head's deep grooves pick up dry stains for a thorough clean. Soak the sponge before first use for best results. Couch Cup Holder. This silicone couch armrest tray fits sofas with wide armrests, offering a 6-inch tray for phones, tablets, and snacks, plus a deep cup holder for various mugs and cups. Made from durable, food-grade silicone, it is stain-resistant, non-slip, and easy to clean. Side pockets store remotes or magazines, while a frosted surface provides a premium feel. The thicker anti-rocking cover keeps drinks stable, preventing spills for worry-free use. ZOKEZ Handheld Steamer. Designed for flexible garment care, this steamer combines steaming and dry ironing with a large heated sole plate. Its powerful output smooths wrinkles fast, while the detachable water tank supports longer sessions with easy refills. Built-in safety features prevent leaks and overheating. The hanging-friendly design saves storage space, and long cords and hoses improve reach. Backed by a satisfaction guarantee, it delivers reliable and convenient fabric care. Roborock Saros Z70. The SOS Z70 robotic vacuum combines a 5-axis Omni-Grip arm with intelligent multi-pass cleaning for ultimate floor coverage. Powerful 22,000 Pascal suction
Hot water mopping and tangle-free brushes remove dirt and stubborn stains. Starite 3D navigation and VertBeam technology handle obstacles precisely, while AI customization let you label objects for personalized cleaning. The multifunctional Dock 4.0 provides hands-free maintenance with auto mop washing, self-cleaning, detergent dispensing, drying, and up to 7 weeks of automatic dust emptying.
Kasa Smart Plugs. Kasa Smart Plugs allow voice control via Amazon Alexa or Google Home for hands-free operation of home electronics. The Kasa app enables remote control from anywhere and supports scheduling with timers or countdowns to automatically switch devices like lamps, fans, or holiday lights. Compatible with Android 5.0 Plus and iOS 10.0 Plus, setup is simple. Connect to 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. Plug in, open the app, and follow the easy instructions for seamless smart home control.
Endoscope Camera. This HD endoscope camera features a 0.3-inch probe and 6 adjustable LEDs for clear inspection in tight or dim spaces. The 9.8 and 8-foot semi-rigid IP67 waterproof cable withstands water and corrosion, while its flexible design allows easy storage and use. Compatible with Android and iOS devices via Type-C, micro USB, or Lightning, it works with the Endoscope. Bathtub Tray Caddy. This bathtub caddy is perfect for keeping your essentials within reach while bathing, and it can also be used over your sink to prevent items from falling in and give you extra space. You can place phones, tablets, or drinks of different shapes on it. Its smooth, water-resistant surface is easy to wipe clean and keeps everything organized. Roller Pet Hair Remover. The Chom Chom Pet Hair Roller effortlessly removes dog and cat hair from furniture, rugs, cars, and more. Outperforming standard lint rollers, its sticky design captures every strand, while the built-in receptacle holds the hair for easy disposal. Simply roll back and forth, then press the release button to empty. Reusable and eco-friendly, it eliminates the need for adhesive or sticky tape, making it a sustainable and essential tool for all pet owners. MOJOCO Portable Clothes Dryer. This portable dryer quickly dries up to 9 garments using a combination of heat and airflow in just 50 minutes. Foldable and lightweight, it's perfect for small spaces, travel, or camping. Built-in LEUV technology keeps clothes hygienic, while quiet operation and a timer allow undisturbed drying. Energy efficient and compact, this portable dryer saves electricity and reduces reliance on traditional dryers, making it an ideal solution for busy households or on-the-go lifestyles. Magnetic Portable Charger. This all-in-one magnetic power bank is perfect for Apple users on the go. Dual magnets securely attach and charge MagSafe iPhones 12 to 17 series and Apple Watches SE to Ultra, while USB-C and USB-A ports power up to 4 devices simultaneously. The 10,800 mAh battery offers 2 full iPhone charges with an LCD display for easy monitoring. Keurig K-Mini. This 4-in-coffee brewer is ideal for small kitchens, dorms, offices, or festive holiday setups. Enjoy single-cup convenience by brewing up to 12 ounces of coffee in minutes, perfect for cozy mornings or nighttime treats. It fits travel mugs up to 7.25 inches tall, so you can take your seasonal coffee anywhere. Keenray Towel Warmer. This large-capacity bucket towel warmer holds up to 2 oversized towels, bathrobes, or blankets, making it ideal for families. It heats in minutes with single-button control and up to 60 minutes of warmth, providing evenly heated towels without cold spots. It's safe and easy to move with a detachable bucket and lid for cleaning. The stylish round design operates quietly, transforming your bathroom into a cozy spa-like retreat. Mini Low-Carb Rice Cooker. This smart rice cooker delivers healthy low-carb rice with a 2-step process: boil to release starch, then steam for fluffiness. Its auto-lifting stainless steel basket separates rice from water for cleaner cooking.
Adjustable 100 watts to 700 watts power lets you customize hot pot temperatures, while multifunctional features allow steaming, braising, stewing, and hot pot cooking. It's a versatile, space-saving appliance designed for up to 2 cups of uncooked rice.
Cleaning tool. This all-in-one mop makes cleaning easy. Its flexible head bends both ways, reaching corners, edges, baseboards, door trims, and even fans. You can use it dry or with a little water, and its unique shape gets into hard-to-reach spots for a perfect clean. The mop pads are machine washable and reusable, making it a convenient and eco-friendly choice.